Warning: the following presentation is not for procrastinators, people looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, or anyone not willing to take action. This is for serious people looking to build a real online business. If this does not apply to you, please exit this page right now. Success to become a super affiliate. But just a fair warning, this is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven business blueprint taught by two people who have done it themselves. You will need to take action, but if you do, we guarantee that the results will be worth the effort. And to give you the extra advantage that we never had, you will also get the software that I developed, which we both now use to grow our email list and build our business when we sell other people's products. The first step on the road to success is taking action. So I'm going to invite you to take action. Click below and pick up your access right now.